Hey everybody, want to explain how the difference between linear foot and board foot. So as an example, for this one, it is 92 inches, it's about 7.5 feet, and that's the linear foot. So just the length of the slab itself. So when you sell it, hey, it might be 7.5 foot, kind of like when you go buy something at Home Depot or something. You might go to Home Depot and they happen to buy a 7-foot 2x4 or something like that, and that's just how you simply do that. But with board foot, you're actually getting the volume of the slab, of the live edge mesquite slab. So it's not just the length. The board foot means volume. So how much is in the slab itself. So to do the board foot, you need the length times the width times the height. So for example, this one is 92 inches by 15 inches by 1.75 inches. So you'd multiply all that. So let's do here. 92 times 15 times 1.75 inches comes out to 2,415 volume inches. So then you divide it by that by 144, and that'll give you the volume board foot. Oops. Do about 144 equals 16.77 board foot. I don't know if you can see that there. So you do, to get the equation, to get the volume board foot of a slab, so you know how much wood you're getting of something this size, it'd be 92, which is the length, times 15, the width, times 1.75, the thickness, divided by 144, and that'll give you the volume board foot of a slab. So a slab this big would be, like I said, 16.77 inches. And then whatever you're selling that as, you would multiply it by whatever you're selling at. You know, $4 board foot, $10 board foot, $20 board foot. And that's how you get the volume board foot. And that's the difference between the linear foot of a board and the volume board foot, which is what we sell it at. We sell it at the board foot, you know, just so you have an accurate price on that. All right, awesome. Thank you so much, guys. I hope that makes sense. Talk to you soon.